If you're running a WordPress store and want to boost your sales through affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a complete affiliate program to your WordPress store from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional affiliate system where people can sign up, get their unique referral links, and earn commissions for every sale they bring you. We're going to cover everything from installing the plugin to setting up commission rates and managing your affiliates. This is going to work for any WordPress store running WooCommerce, and the best part is we're using a free plugin to get this done. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is get the right plugin installed on our WordPress site. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and make sure you're logged in as an administrator. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Plugins. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from there we want to click on Add New Plugin. This takes us to the plugin installation page where we can search for what we need. Now in the search bar at the top right, we're going to type WooCommerce Affiliate and hit Enter. You'll see several plugins show up, but the one we want is called With WooCommerce Affiliates. It should be the third one in the list. This is actually a free plugin, but it also has a pro version with more features. Go ahead and click Install Now on the YITH WooCommerce Affiliates plugin. You'll see it downloading and installing automatically. Once that's done, make sure to click Activate to turn the plugin on. Perfect. Now we've got our affiliate plugin ready to configure. Now that the plugin is activated, you'll notice we have some new options in our WordPress dashboard. Look at the left sidebar and you should see a new section for the affiliate plugin. Click on it and you'll see we have 4 main areas to work with. The first section shows us any affiliate accounts that are already in the system. Right now you might see some demo accounts that come with the plugin. These are just examples and you can delete them later if you want. Let's start by clicking on General Options to set up the basic settings for our affiliate program. The first thing you'll see is the query word name, which is set to ref by default. This is basically the parameter that gets added to affiliate links, so leave this as ref unless you have a specific reason to change it. Scroll down and you'll see the cookie options. These settings control how long the affiliate tracking lasts after someone clicks an affiliate link. The default settings here are pretty good for most stores, so we can leave these as they are for now. Next up, let's click on Affiliate Registration to set up what information people need to provide when they apply to become affiliates. This is where we control the application process. You'll see a list of required fields like username, first name, last name, email, and password. These are the basic fields that affiliates will need to fill out when they apply. You can check or uncheck these based on what information you want to collect. Below that, you'll see options for privacy text and terms. The privacy text isn't required, but you can add it if you want to include additional instructions for applicants. The terms section is where you can add your affiliate program terms and conditions. There are also some other options here for customizing the registration process. Take a look through these and adjust them based on how you want your affiliate program to work. Once you're happy with the settings, make sure to save your changes. Now let's set up where affiliates will manage their accounts and get their links. Click on Affiliate Dashboard in the menu. The first important setting here is where to show the affiliate dashboard. You have 2 main options. You can create a specific page using a shortcode, or you can add it to the My Account page that WooCommerce already has. I recommend choosing the My Account page option because it keeps everything integrated and makes it easier for your affiliates. Next, you'll see Show Social Shares. If you enable this, affiliates will be able to share their referral links directly on social media platforms. This can be really helpful for getting more exposure. Below that is Allow Affiliates to Share On, where you can choose which social networks they can share to. You'll see options for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and others. Check the ones that make sense for your business. You can also customize the social title and text that gets shared, plus add a Pinterest image URL if you want. Once you've got everything set up the way you want, click Save to lock in these settings. This is probably the most important part, setting up how much your affiliates will earn. Click on Commissions and Payments in the menu. The first thing you'll see is Default Commission Rate. This is where you set the percentage that affiliates earn on each sale. For this example, I'm going to set it to 15%, but you can adjust this based on your profit margins and what makes sense for your business. Just type in the percentage you want to use. Scroll down and you'll see more options for how commissions are calculated and when they're paid out. The default settings work well for most stores, but you can customize these if you have specific requirements. At the bottom of the page, you'll see payment gateways. For the free version of the plugin, you have options like direct payment or wire transfer. If you want more payment methods like PayPal integration, you'd need to upgrade to the Pro version. Make sure to save all your commission settings before moving on to the next step. Now let's test everything from the customer side to make sure it's working properly. Open up your store in a new browser tab. You can do this by going to your main site URL. Navigate to the My Account page on your store. If you're not already logged in as a customer, you'll need to create a test customer account or log in with an existing one. Once you're on the My Account page, scroll down and you should see a new option called Affiliate Dashboard. Click on Affiliate Dashboard and you'll see an option to become an affiliate. Click on that button and you should see a message saying your request has been registered and is waiting for administrator approval. Perfect. Now that means the application process is working. Now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard to approve this application. In your WordPress admin, go back to the affiliate plugin section and click on Affiliates. You should see the new application with the pending status. To approve the affiliate, simply click on the toggle to enable them. You can also reject or ban affiliates from this same screen if needed. Once you enable the affiliate, they'll be able to access their dashboard and start promoting your products. Let's go back to the customer side and see what the affiliate dashboard looks like. Refresh the My Account page and click on Affiliate Dashboard again. Now that the account is approved, you'll see the full dashboard. The dashboard shows statistics like commission rate, visits, conversion rate, and total earnings. There are also sections for recent commissions and recent visits, though these will be empty for a new account. And here you have the link generator. This is where affiliates can create their referral links. They can generate a general link to your homepage, or they can paste in a specific product URL to create a targeted affiliate link for that product. The last thing we need to configure is how affiliates will get paid. This option is in the settings menu. Here affiliates can enter their payment details. If you're using the free version, they can add information for direct payment or wire transfer, including account name, IBAN number, and SWIFT code. This is where affiliates will provide the information you need to send them their commission payments. The exact fields will depend on which payment methods you've enabled in the plugin settings. Back in your WordPress dashboard, let's look at how you'll manage your affiliate program ongoing. In the affiliate plugin section, you can see all your affiliates, their status, and their performance. The commission section will show you all the commissions that have been earned, and payments will track when you've paid out those commissions. This gives you a complete overview of your affiliate program's performance. You can add new affiliates manually if needed, and you have full control over approving, rejecting, or banning affiliates based on their performance or behavior. And that's how you add a complete affiliate program to your WordPress store. We've covered installing the plugin, setting up commission rates, configuring the affiliate dashboard, and testing the entire system. Your affiliates can now sign up, get approved, generate their referral links, and start earning commissions on sales they bring to your store. You have full control over the program from your WordPress dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. If you have any questions about setting up your affiliate program, drop them in the comments below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.